Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to GoPro QUIK app. So when you are installed the app and logged in into your or sign up into your QUIK app, you will see bunch of these get a GoPro premium subscription for 50% off. Now if you click on it, you will see here you are redirected to the subscription site. Now you can choose here premium, premium plus and quick, just like so. Now you have, for this limited time, you have 50% off. So from 60 euros to the 30 euros. And what you need to do is just subscribe to the premium and that's it. And then you see here what you can use. So you can unlimited premium editing on your smartphone. Then you unlock unlimited cloud backup for all your GoPro footage. Then you have 500 gigabytes storage, auto highlight videos, auto uploads, and you have also $150 of your next GoPro renewal, and so on. So you need to consider it if you need it, if you don't, and then decide. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.